Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Malie, Donn, Diddy, and Brysco. So watch man, leave a like, subscribe, and also feel free if you comment, you see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself and make we jump right into the review. Alright, so we'll kick this review off with Malie, Donn. So the entertainer, viewers and subscribers, him crash. Yeah man, the entertainer was having some fun while riding a bike, four-wheel bike. And the entertainer crash and it seems like his hand is broken. But work still a put in. The entertainer is good and work still a put in, So I'm gonna show you the video and make you see what really went down. Yeah man, so in the video you can see when the entertainer was at the hospital and his hand is now bandaged up. But other from that, the entertainer is good. You can see he's in the studio working on a brand new single. You don't know, Malie Donn is on the storybook rhythm. So yeah, and as you can see on the screen, it says injured hits. So yeah man, the entertainer is good and I do him thing, But I want to know if the female is good, cause everybody asks about Malie Donn. What about the female? Even though we don't know if she was on the bike when it crashed. But what about the female? We have to ask about the female to, you see me? But yeah man, everybody is good. Malie Donn I do him after the same way. Viewers and subscribers, leave on a take down below. So Brysco went straight to IG after him see the picture with Skippa and Rvssian link up. Viewers and subscribers, Brysco post and I make some talk. I have to get into that, you see me? Yeah man, cause you don't know, like I said, last year Rvssian and Skippa went at it, you see me? But them never went at it in any serious type of way, but Skippa did defend the youths them that was trying to go on the dirty money rhythm, and Rvssian and say, yo, it's not authorized. So I'm going to show you where Brysco post and where Brysco also say on the IG. At Skippa Donn, me think it was F this new beat. And you can see the picture with Rvssian and Skippa. And Brysco also tag Rvssian and Skippa down below under the picture.
Bro, we did literally in a studio the other day, dog. Alright, so, yo, night time, yeah, drama man here, you go on. yo, you see, it's a boy, I know what to say, thing them in a song, but in a real life, it's a totally different you. I rate that boy still. Big up yourself with that.
And if Rvssian want Aki Major, we tell her, bro, we never get the beat. We never want the beat, we never link for the beat, you see me? I just do way that the youth panel like me even say that. I never know my business still, so I should even go sorry, but you see me? Man, I tell you, say, yo, I want to jump on the beat and the dog go out there, dog make himself vulnerable, bro. I tell him man, boss, you left pot on fire, dog. My almost 40 bad, man. You see me, bro? So I don't know that, bro. And nobody criticize at this need, bro. This is for you, them in a dance, for wise up. Yeah, no cap. Fuck that old ass beat.
So viewers, when you think about that, Brysco make a post and him make a talk. When you think about that, you see me? Because at the end of the day, Skippa did actually defend Brysco. When Brysco did want to go up on the dirty money rhythm, and Rvssian say, yo, it's not authorized, and Brysco can't go up on the rhythm, Skippa did actually defend Brysco and I make the youth them know, say, yo, dancehall belong to Rvssian them. You see me? And now you see Rvssian and Skippa link up. When you think about that, because say, as I said before, viewers and subscribers, I know everything you see on the media and to run with, because you don't know what's going on behind closed doors. You see me? So enough people kind of look on it and say, yo, Brysco maybe bad man Skippa, but me don't want to look at it like that. But, just leaving the thoughts down below. What do you think about it? Because in a way, Brysco actually a call Skippa a Kappa. You see me? And if you don't know what Kappa mean, it means lion. You see me? So, I'm just leaving the thoughts down below. What do you think about this? Alright, so get some more info about P. Diddy court case. So I'm going to read an article and I'm going to see how far and what's going on in the court case. So just relax. Remember, subscribe if you don't reach this far and leave a like. Yeah, man. Jurors started deliberating Monday at Sean Diddy's home federal sexual trafficking trial, weighing charges that could put the hip-hop mogul in prison for life. After more than 2 hours of legal instructions from federal judge Rvssian, the jury of 8 men and 4 women headed behind closed doors to deliberate. They'll be shifting through 7 weeks of graphic and emotional testimony about the rap, fashion, and reality TV impresario's propensity for violence and his sexual predilections, including drug fuel, sexual marathon dub, freak-offs, or hotel nights. Jurors are being provided with a laptop loaded with all of the exhibitions shown in court, including text messages, photographs, and videos of the sexual encounters at the heart of the case. As he sent the jury to deliberate, Rvssian told the 5 alternate jurors to remain on standby in case they are needed to fill in on the main jury. About 10 minutes into deliberation, the jury sent a note indicating they'd completed their first order of business, electing a 4th person. So viewers, things now look good for P. Diddy right now. So I'm just leaving the thoughts on any of the topic them want me touch upon. Just leaving the thoughts down below in the comment section. Remember, leave a like, big up on yourself like always, and catch you in another one.